For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Njengoba besazi ke sonke ukuthi izolo beqala iCAF Champions League lapho besibonakele khona ke iMamelodi Sundowns bidlala khona neSaint Eloy Lupopo. Namhlanje beqala ke iCAF Confederations Cup lapho iKaizer Chiefs bidlala khona ke neAl Masry yapha ke Egypt. Kaizer Chiefs making their third appearance ke kuCAF Confederations Cup. Takhumbula 2014 bebekhe bakhutshwa ke phazi runners up bobuthe maningalisebenzisa igama lethi losing finalists. Remember 1995 ASEC Mimosa, where they lost the final CAF Champions League to Orlando Pirates. They eliminated the Kaizer Chiefs in 2014 in the same competition, winning 1-0 in both legs. Then 2019 the same team Egle Group E1 Group D Kaizer Chiefs, Giants from Zambia, Izesco, they eliminated the Kaizer Chiefs from the same competition, the CAF Confederations Cup, winning 2-1 at Johannesburg. Then they went to Zambia, where they beat the Kaizer Chiefs by 3-1 second round CAF Confederations Cup. Remember back then, Junior, kwakusekho Group Z2, so odlala last 16, udlala second round, then yongela group stages, lapho kwakho Group A and Group B. But now, Zombie as tournament has been expanded. There are 16 teams, 4 groups. So the last time the Kaizer Chiefs played the CAF Confederations Cup, there were still 2 groups. But Kaizer Chiefs has a chance to go to Zesco because they are in the same group. Yadlala ke Zesco now later on namhlanje bazodlala ke neZamalek. Zamalek idlala neKaizer Chiefs next week. So umdlalo uzoba mkhulu kakhulu, but umdlalo besiwubukele thina iKaizer Chiefs neAl Masry. Al Masry yaphumelela ke ngo-2-1 bethi Kaizer Chiefs. Junior, bendibukele la umdlalo mfethu. Kunjani?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay.
Yeah, ngibulise Justice. Ngibulise uLindo Pep. Ngibulise uBobzini, ngibulise uNkuleko, my brother.
Yeah.
Ngibulise uTsovila kazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. First half it was very boring. I need to be honest, very boring. First half, both teams, how many shots on target? Yazi ukudlala nama-player angafuni ukuriska. Ngikhuluma ngama-attackers.
First half, none.
Both teams, they never risk. I'm very disappointed ngale team Al Masry. Ngikhuluma nga-first half, you're playing home. You never trouble Kaizer Chiefs. There was no threat. Going to the game, I'm not too sure starting 11 Kaizer Chiefs, the coaches, what they were trying to achieve. I'm talking about 2 coaches, 2 co-coaches. I'm going to present today's games. Game intensity high gangaga. How many games has played to a premiership? We are exposed to Funumambisa. I'm not too sure. Because through this guy I'm not talking about the fitness, match fitness. Is not going to give you anything. We talk about the high profile game.
Also the mental readiness of the player.
Yeah, mental, right. Also the fitness level. We are exposed. You cannot, the match fitness is not ready psychologically. Pela mangabe fitness ayiko, you're not going to think properly. You're not going to apply yourself. So I'm not too sure good why but that's why ngimbonile na last time he went away a mistake goal. Umunye umuntu angamplay malo mfana, but how many games has played to to premiership? Sometimes I show 18 and from 18 not on the bench, from 18 standing umthathu later ku 11 I set up bamhlakaza umfana. So I'm not surprised ukuthi umfana ngafunctioni. On the right hand side bebadlala ngaye, on the left hand side idlala ngoPude Mode. I'm surprised why is keep on earning starting 11. He's giving nothing. Both namhlanje ama-wingers wabo angafunctioni. But also you have to question ama midfield wabo, which is Mthethwa. Also Cele.
Were they functional?
No. You need a proper number 6 midfield. Kaizer Chiefs. I'm talking about the defensive midfield at Kaizer Chiefs. A proper number 6. In this game, was over exposed. You might get away with some games compared to a premiership, but in today's games, in general, they was over exposed. Udlala center back, they were playing like 5. Obviously, protect these Abandabai 4 at the back. Yeah, because some wing back wabo. Beyangambi much. Solomon beyangambi much. On the left hand side, not much cross. Kutambe. Yambono cross from Chota. Lema Kemino cross. He's playing like a natural left back, and it's good when he's playing like a natural left back. When the timing it's just letting Safunu more, but we are more on timing compared to other players. First half, not much from Kaizer Chiefs. They struggle to break this team in the midfield, even to make 5 touches. Break this team, circulating Ebola, very effective, positive, finding these front 3 players. How many times got to touch Ebola first half? How many times he shooted goalkeeper? Phela kuza shoot mele nimkhiphe. Mele naye okay mele senze space, but umntu wezu number 10 naye didn't function today because his role umntu naye ungamblame these 2 which is Ucele no Mthethwa. They were not functioning. Not even passing forward. bebangamtholi umdu, so they were struggling. Bekunzima nje amatheko kwi-Kaizer Chiefs to find each other. This team abantu abadala, mangithi abantu abadala, experienced players, I'm talking about.
You mean Al Masry?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
they play like pyramids for me. They minimize runs wabo, these guys. They hardly run. Bafuni pole inyaweni. They think more than running, these teams. This team. That's why it's like a pyramids. They've got experienced players, but very space. They shift to the ball. Tactically and spot on. They're playing home now, but disappointed in the first half. Never traveled Kaizer Chiefs. How many shots that just the Chiefs, they were lucky not to concede the penalty. I think omunye referee begayibeka le pole lishayila omunye
le cross.
yeah omunye umuntu angathi debate athi izandla bezimo
closer
but
to
omunye
the
ebeka ikayithi omunye ebeka.
Yeah, we've seen some of those been given, but to be fair, Yazi, as I was, now I said it was a penalty, but so what? No, if you're born is closer to your body, at least if it's the Chile, then you can give it, but that's closer. Yeah.
Some referees they don't.
Yes, I agree with you.
That's why I like it's 2 ways.
Yes.
But well done to the referee who stick it to his decision. That decision whereby uzoimela. And I think second half the game change. The body language of this team, Al Masry, I mean to say. I think they were running behind in defense now. They were number 12, 14, very good player. They were playing at 2 attackers, midfielders now, which is the captain Abu number 8. Nalengwenyu number 14, playing more up front. Lengwenya I think it's number 21, sitting there as a defensive midfield. The Utah Kende. Nkumbuzo Musa Utieno, just that is very comfortable. Yeah. I think the midfielder was starting to function, but push more these 2 midfielders up front.
Sorry. Al Masry. Ibuye teammate different second half.
Yeah.
Even the Kaizer Chiefs, after they introduced Vele by no Vilakazi, you could see glimpses of the Kaizer Chiefs. They babonakala ngokuthi bazawukora, but ndifuna Al Masry. What do you think technical team yabo no coach by identify the Kaizer Chiefs ebenze ukuthi ba attack, because we're attacking more in the middle, even though siyazi ukuthi North Africans they will always throw the ball like wingers. But what do you think they identified with Kaizer Chiefs? Then benze ukuthi babuye second half but throw away everything to Kaizer Chiefs.
That's why they say 2 midfielders, this is number 14 and number 8, captain yabo. Go in the box more. Just risk, hold the ball. Stop panic. You cannot do anything when you're number 21, which is a defensive midfield. Just go more forward.
You think also mhlawumbe by identify ukuthi
just go central. Yes, what they did to these 2 midfielders with Kaizer Chiefs, they're sitting there doing nothing. Very nervous as well, because some of the players Kaizer Chiefs were nervous today. Yenucele is the international player, a bit nervous for me. Even Mtetwa. Not much. You can't pass ground ilo throw in. You can't do that. It shows the nervousness. Leonto they could be nervousness. How many times they run behind? How many times they try to take somebody, even 1-2? How many times go pay pass? So I'm a players are manning more than not even much, not even once. You understand? Every time play back pass, play bola lalbuya corner. The breeze, just chase back. Ayoba more extra double right back covering. Sometimes Solomon uye bega more going forward, but not much. Single first half, I think they were cautious.
Yeah, but the team great goal for him.
The team they first half pela bebadlala nga 2. Lama player la forward bewangadlali wide. Bebangana width. They were playing more inside. You understand? Bafunu break Chiefs da. Yeah, but second half they said, okay, sharp chance. Now we need to body language need to change. We need to add more spark agents up front. We need to good footy. We need to play behind the defense alabant. Let's turn the defense. And the manga pega penalty. Good ball. They were thinking more forward. All the passes for Nkulumanga second half. Central forward. Now the mistake pega la putena ganga. Ngizbuz good where was Miguel there and where was Kunyika there. Then when you might turn, the goalkeepers are making mistakes as commit. Utena kanjani lapha lo muntu lo ngoba lo muntu is tall. There was supposed somebody behind him bengeka turn. This guy was going to trap and play the ball where the ball come from. And now they created a penalty. Ebafake under pressure. Yes, Chiefs push more bafake umfundo Vilakazi, which is I believe umfundo obviously ube nama glimpses naye. But very by not much. I think ungenye game amgwinya for me. Ungene nje sort of naye wahlala wide, more wide. Nabo ke lama midfield they never bazange bamdlalise more. They never included him. And this team utilizer Chiefs it okay my totally goal. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs for getting the goal. But individual brilliant from Solomon. The goal actually goal that we can say Simshalizand because umchitu zenzele bola from wide it came into millions of midfield Chiefs taking responsibility. Be arrogant on the ball. Very close control. Umchitu figure boxing. Weaker foot la goalkeeper gule direction la buya khona Solomon. The goalkeeper stands still. But high school mistake from this guy Mikel. Experienced player, international player, high school mistake. Wow, so some last time it's critical phase of game ususa amehlo ebholweni le game bengaphela nange-draw and then wenza iblunder and then nilande nethi you understand so from there I think but not a bad team I'll be honest to you not they don't have they play as a team they work for bazi strengths one another this guy technically very good they bakwazi find out njengoba ngisho bakwazi ukutholana this guy they play sort of nge-quick pace they not play a team that idlala nge-intensity high much they can play nge-intensity high but very narrow close to each other so I think experience yabo as ngisho badlala ngama-experience players I can say
let's close it. I just received a signal from Uchasa. Let's just close it now in 10 seconds.
Yeah, for me, njoba ngisho ngithi team le El Nasri second half much better. It shows like they play as if badlala home. First half a bit disappointed how many shots on target. Second half they had shot. Save Vilo Peterson. I need to be honest. Yes, the Chiefs now even a moment there, but Chiefs more they were playing in the half. But badlala half in half. That's why Kulman and nervousness. But the tournament is about in terms of mindset, the experience, thinking more ahead now. No matter about eliminator or even they go all the way. I think the mindset is going to change. Because the way they are playing, sometimes they get away ngamanyama win badlale bad and then bashaya izandla abantu uthola ukuthi kuba ngathi something special they doing. This game is obatshela wethu ngishikhuluma ngale tournament. You need to be smart tactical even if you're not going to play good. Tactically you must be smart. La ulahla kayi one slight mistake you're going to be punished. Some teams they are not good but they master my basics njengabo le team le bedlala namhlanje and then you're going to get punished izinto ezinjalo I'm sure bazozifunda so well done to this team El Nasri but psychologically I'm sure it is nabo izobakhulisa ngoba libele ba travel
Junior, thank you so much. Junior has played for this team. He knows the ins and outs of this team called the Kaizer Chiefs. Besibukele naye ke lo mdlalo we-Al Masry namhlanje waphake Egypt where i-Kaizer Chiefs uthe lose again their first game ye-CAF Confederations Cup. Baphaka group D ke ngabo Al Masry. There's also there's two Southern African teams because Zambia can say they are a Southern African team. There's also two North African teams, Al Masry and also Zamalek. Yadlala ke Zamalek namhlanje nayo against Zesco. Kaizer Chiefs next week badlala again and badlala ke game number 2 abo badlala neZamalek. Zamalek has won this competition 2 times. Bayazi ukuthi wina kanjani. Kaizer Chiefs this is their third appearance ke CAF Confederations Cup. But ke ngapha ke Egypt is Kaizer Chiefs 1 Al Masry 2. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.